I've lost all my money in the Bitcoin stock market because I listened to a man named Bitcoin.
On Bitcoin. The stocks are going down.
Hey, dude! Bitcoin. I need your help. I've lost all my money in because I bought Bitcoin.
Hey, don't worry about it. I've got a 9-step comprehensive tutorial video for $9. Here's my 9-step tutorial on how to invest in Bitcoin. It's very comprehensive and very functional. Okay. Step 1, you have to look at the Bitcoin market.
I understand.
We didn't know about it, but I told my grandmother it's going to be okay. That was my 9-step tutorial on how to navigate the Bitcoin market.
Man, that was a real good tutorial. I'm gonna